Okay, so end of week 5 of lockdown. B&Q and Blackburn is open. That makes me a very happy girl. Let me show you what Mr. B has been doing here. So this is our guest shower room. So Mr. B now has been able to get access to materials. So he have closed off this wall here now, plasterboarded this wall. He also have fitted the frame for the door and hung the door. Now let's talk about the door. We don't like these doors, but that's the doors. They are fitted upstairs already. That is our one of our guest bedrooms. And on the very end of the house, we have another one. Mr. B is hiding from the camera. He's camera shy. So back to the door. We had to try and match because we don't want to change the already existing doors, especially because they are very good. For some reason, the previous owner fitted
2 fire doors.
Fire doors.
It's not necessary on the bathroom though.
Is not necessary in here, but that's the look of it. I will be painting them at some point, but for now, we have more important jobs to do. Anyway, so we had to buy that door so that it will match the existing doors upstairs in the other rooms. So that's a job done. We are hoping to have a delivery from B&Q tomorrow at some point. Trade Point, Mr. B is correcting me. So we are hoping to get more of that. We only have left over that 2 boxes, so we are expecting a delivery of at least another 5 or 6 boxes I ordered 2 weeks ago. Tiles to create the fixture wall here. I also have ordered the basin and the taps. And we are hoping this weekend to tile all the shower area. Also, let me show you. So this is the rod we have picked for
Towel rail.
Mr. B is correcting me again. He says a towel rail. We have chosen for the guest shower room. As you can see, it's matte black, beautiful color. Also, this I bought online, and the same thing with the valves. As you can see, they also matte black. The taps, they will all be matte black as well. So that's it. Busy day today, and we are hoping to have a busy weekend. So you have seen the video. So let me show you where we at this stage. So if I turn around to show you. So this is the fixture wall behind the basin. Is pretty much completed. Taps going in there. The reason it's not finished yet is because we are still waiting for the bottle trap to be delivered that I have been chasing. So Mr. B needs to sort out the plumbing before we can complete. The worktop is on, although suspended, because there is a frame, a metal black legs thingy going on in there. Sneak peek of the floor. I put it up for you to have an idea. So that's going to be the floor. On this side, the shower cubicle is now completely tiled. Is waiting for me at some point this weekend. I will have to grout because I'm the grout person. The shower mix bar is on temporarily, as you can see, and they're very nice. Another thing I want to show you, there was a change of plan during the week, as you've seen in the video. So we decided to fit a roof window in here. So I think you understand the reason why, not only for ventilation and natural light, is, as Mr. B have explained, it gives a bit more height for the tall people, and we do have a lot of tall people in this family. As we are at this stage, so we are hoping to have it pretty much finished by next week. That though is to be replaced, although we are going to keep it, but it's going to be replaced for a more streamlined version of it, as you can see there. And in here, still need plastering. There is an issue with finish at the moment. We can't find finish anywhere, so we are cracking on with the things that we can do until we get hold of some finish. Mr. B still needs to fit architrave as well. So, and if I give you a sneak peek of my chill out room, it's pretty much a builder's zone right now. What you can see over there, that's the legs for that unit in there. But having a look from here, you can see it's going to look fantastic. So that's what we are for the moment. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe. It looks like it's not going to last for much longer and will be released. We have a lot of work waiting for us. Our clients already starting to phone us and ask when can we go in. So in the meantime, we are having fun and fitting funky bathrooms on our own house, because let's face it, that's what we do for a living. We really enjoy it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.